921, man. Big fucking level. 921, baby. Big fucking level. We break, we cook. Breaks, we cook. Big fucking level. 921. For I don't know what reason. I ain't giving any sauce here. 817 is potentially where I would like to run some of the micros I entered. I got 835 as first take profit. Just because I'm up some size. It's going all right. It came back to the previous low. I want to see some good game. I want to see some good fucking game here. I don't want to get robbed. I want to see some good fucking game. Most traders would go for a break even here. I ain't even touching it. I'm not even sweating. I'm looking for what, 2.5, about 2.5 to 1. Will greed be my own demise? A good pro would have taken profits at the previous low. Ah, you bitch. Price checking 921. It's now or never. That price check for 921. Come on, spread out. Give me that push. I might take it at 900. If it comes to 900, I'll take it. That price check at 921. I want to see the break. I'm in for the break. Price check these buyers here. And look, if it holds, it holds. If I'm shorting the retrace and a majestic bull run, so be it. But zoom out would have been kind of ranging. Uh, Evidently, it was a weekly breakout bar. Whatever. It's for tonight. I got my target. Maybe I'll try to run some micros to the very low of the consolidation. Maybe not. I got this little here. I don't want to hold the mini that long. This account is too fragile. I don't want to hold the mini that long. I'm keen on taking profits Base hits, base hits, base hits. Is that what they call base hits? I got an ES here. Potentially at 707. I'll probably cut the whole thing. We're 706. Honestly, I want to see that continuation. I'm not targeting much on ES. It's almost dinner time too. And I ran out of cigarettes. I'm vaping. We price check big price of interest. What was it 921 right here? The 100 tick 921 and rejecting. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see this thing break lower. 900s. I see some lots in the 900s. Been keeping eyes on these stacks. Are they getting filled or not? Tilt at 83% short. It's uh, it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Actually got it 883. If we sweep 900, I'm gonna start trailing aggressively. I'm gonna trail ES. I'm trailing ES. Yeah, break even. Yeah, that's good stuff. Nasdaq close to that 900. We picked the 905, I think. I wasn't looking at the dawn, but having tilt at 84% is it's not good. Uh, I don't like that at all. I don't think that at all. All right, it's time to make money on something. And it hit my level. Okay. Uh, I'm not adding. I'll put my stop here. Stop by 4. Here we go.
Order filled.
Okay, we made money on something. We cashed out a little bit. Yeah, 905 is a level I remember.
Order filled.
I'm out on this. I'm taking this out. I'm up 1,000. I've barely been on the screen for half an hour. It was a good trade. I'm still in on ES at break even. And what am I targeting here for 37? I mean, I'm a fuck good pro, man. Take profits at the low low. Even though the bands are extending, so this potentially is a good target. This is a good target. I'm gonna mark this and look at the reaction. These low settlements here, and the bottom of the volume profile. Well, not the bottom, but this little distribution here. How are we gonna react here? With 82% tilt, bro, I couldn't handle the heat on I couldn't handle the heat on the Nasdaq trade. I still have 4 micros running and 1 ES at break even. Oh, let me get rid of this stupid too.
Order filled.
Oh, oops. Well, guess that's that. I accidentally added one. Ah, screw it. I'm taking one out if it moves a tick above and I'm out with one.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, technical error by over clicking. Added one. It's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. 22 ticks. I'm gonna trail 2. And I'll put the rest at break even. Not Nobody lost money by taking profits. Geez, not oversizing works, huh? $127 lots at 900 even. Man, I need to take the money there. I mean, for 5 points on not $100. Let's see. I want to see the reaction. Do we completely sweep this and we push further down to pick up more liquidity that's left out in the book, or are we gonna get sellers gonna get absorbed and there's gonna be a reaction? It's right at 900. It right at the even number. I'm trailing 22 ticks, and I'm happy. Worst case scenario, uh, I close Asia session up a G. I got absolutely no complaints about that. I'm gonna let this record, and I'm gonna chill. Well, watch some videos on the phone or something. Maybe smoke some of that salsa. Well, you see, I don't see the fills. It got pulled away. What I have is pivot. This is what I'm actually looking at. What I have is pivot is that 855? Yeah, it looks like it, or 865. Can't even see, man. Thinkorswim is like super tiny, man, and I got a huge ass 4K screen. Anyways, somewhere down here, we take profit. Or we bounce or whatever. You see the trail stop function? Fuck, absolute no brainer, bro. Okay, you're gonna get out on a nice pullback. Well, boo hoo, big deal.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm still in with two, and this 900 level could be where we bounce or not. But I find out we hit the VWAP bottom of VWAP channel bottom, and it's trying to make a higher low on ES 5 minute. Same tactic, G. Same tactic. I'm gonna trail one, 22 ticks away, and chill. Y'all seeing me, hands over my head and my recliner. Chillin'. Chill. Also, put my stop here. Or maybe above the settlement. Yeah, above here. Well, boohoo, I got kicked out on the pullback. So, big effing deal. Scary stuff, man. Every time during New York, I've seen the tilt so heavy, the market bounce. Every single time. I took it as a positive confluence to my short. The market bounced. If this is not, if this is the actual time that this is a positive confluence to uh, we downtrending and selling off, well, shit, so be it. But in experience, you go back on the charts and you look the lows and the highs. Well, I'll go back the moments that played a trick on me, and I got tricked. Let me move this out of the way. Wild, absolutely wild. What am I gonna get kicked out in pretty much the same price as the previous two? Gotta have in mind. Not every time I come up on my computer, I'm blessed with a setup. I literally sat down and we had the push and the pullback, and I started building the position. I gotta look at here we go, something that not all gurus do. So yeah, initially got in with six at 20. Oh man, I was early on this. 27 added, held through it. I had my stop fuck, above session high, something like that. I don't know. Could have been higher. Even if it was, I think it was up here. So still, I got my 1 to 1 out of this. Either way, uh, post fact, coulda, shoulda, woulda, hold the mini. Well, I didn't. I took it at 900, 905 ish. I'm happy with it. I made good money on it, man. I made good money on it. Exactly $615, and I was risking 300. So 2 to 1. Man, I love this trailing stop feature. I missed this in the live account. Honestly, they ain't got this in the live account. I really missed this feature. This right here, you see how easy trading is, man. Once you get into your setup and you definitely have confirmation. You take 1-to-1 and you limit exposure. You have absolute no risk. Having the trailing stop is such a breeze, bro. I'm not even overthinking. Is it gonna bounce? And we are in a bullish market. We came to my initial target at 883s, 8087s. Uh, Now, if this candle leaves a 40
Order
point
filled.
wick like this, I'm Gucci. I'm gonna wait for the next pullback. If it gets out of range here, excuse me, I'm gonna slap one more. Let me clear out the. Well, what did I gain here? I got it 26 at 27, so about 27 points. I call it 25 points on 6 and 35, 36 to 89. About 30 some points on 2 of them. 25 points. Not bad during Asia. Not bad at all. For micros. Not bad at all. Some nights are just easier than others. Too close. Too damn close. What am I? 1,159. Yep. $43 something. 41 and I take minus the commission. Yeah, so $1,200. Okay. If it comes up all the way up there. Cool. Let me measure this. That's 85 ticks. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. 85 ticks. No halos. And I walk away. $1,200, not a bad day, Mr. Doom. Not a bad day for you, boy Doom. Not bad at all. This is a fairly new account, man. I've been spiraling out and blowing combines and blowing good XFAs and oversizing and trying to fund shit in 2 days, and I think I just had fucking enough of it. I had enough of it. Last night I definitely undercut my I was shorted open yesterday, so when Asia opened, I definitely undercut my winner. Dang, and regrets. This would have been a very nice trade on ES and Nasdaq, but I got shook myself out of it. There's no pure happiness in this, man. The nights that I don't shake myself out of it, and I add, and I become even more biased, and it runs against me, and everything blows in my fucking face, and I go on tilt. Not tonight. This was too easy to say no to. We're hitting the 50 SMA on the 15 minute, and all the indicators are in the extreme. No sight of green momentum yet. 5 waves, that's average. You know what? F it. I'm calling this a low.
Order filled.
And I'm out. This concludes my trading. 1,200 call it 50. $49.38. It's your boy Doom. I'm out. Peace.